Octopuses are ocean creatures that are most famous for having 8 arms and bulb heads. Some other fun facts: they are quite intelligent and have been observed using tools. To see many important facts about octopus, watch the full video. The oldest known octopus fossil belongs to an animal that lived some 296 million years ago during the Carboniferous period. That specimen belongs to a species named Polchipia and is on display at the Field Museum in Chicago. Herman Karries describes it as a flattened cow patty or a clover split, but a close examination reveals the telltale 8 arms and 2 eyes. In other words, long before life on land had progressed beyond puny pre-dinosaur reptiles, octopuses had already established their shape for the millions of years to come. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 of hearts work exclusively to move blood behind the animal's gills, while the third keeps circulation flowing for the organs. The organ heart actually stops beating when the octopus swimming, explaining the species penchant for crawling rather than swimming, which excites them. The plural of octopus is octopuses. The word octopus comes from the Greek octopus, meaning 8 foot. The word's Greek roots means it's pluralized as a Greek word too. Which depends on both a noun's gender and the last letter. It, in this case, an es is simply tacked on. Aristotle thought octopuses were dumb. In his History of Animals, written in 350 BC, the Greek philosopher wrote that the octopus is a stupid creature, for it will approach a man's hand if it be lowered in the water. But it is neat and thrifty. It is habits, that is, it lays up a store in its nest, and after eating up all that it able, it ejects the shells of shades of crabs and shellfish and the skeletons of little fishes. After describing a few more quirks of octopus's life story, it ejects link for self-defense. It's slimy, it can crawl and land, he flippantly sighing off. So much for the molluscs. However, the big brain Cephalopods can negative thought mazes, solve problems and remember solution, and take things effort for fun. They even have distinct personalities. Octopus's arms have a mind of their own. 2 1/3 of an octopus's neurons reside in the arms, not its head. As a result, the arms can problem solve how to open a shellfish hole their owners by busy doing something else, like checking out of a cave for more eatable goodness. Arms can even react after they have been completely severed.